Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate your Instagram account on iPhone after the latest update. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. So you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the App Store here, and here what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have to check you have installed the latest version of the Instagram, and after that you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram app, and you have to simply click on profile, and after clicking on profile you have to simply click on three lines here. In three lines you have to simply click on account center here. In account center you have to simply click on password and security, and you have to make sure that the option is not available. So you have to simply click on personal details. So in personal details you have to simply click on account ownership and control, and here you will find the two options. The first one is memorization, and after that you will find the option of deactivation or deletion. So you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply select the account, and after selecting the account you have to simply click on deactivate your account. So after that you have to simply ask for your password. So if you provide the password, if you allow the person, then you will be able to deactivate your account after providing the password. So in this way you can simply deactivate your account with the new update. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.